beautiful people. We are making a healthy chicken adobo. Everyone has their own unique way of making this recipe. My touch is using healthy alternatives, and then my way is ChatGPT's way. A lot of people's variations marinate their chicken. Listen, two things. First thing, this is my first time making chicken adobo. There is no marination process. It's okay. Sometimes if you want to marinate it, I've seen people marinate it overnight just to really get that flavorful essence in the chicken. Some people marinate it for 2 hours. Some people don't marinate it at all. And this is just beginner friendly. So I'm just not gonna marinate it. So we need 110 grams of an onion. I can feel it. I can feel the thing. This is what it takes to make chicken adobo. All right, onions. 5 garlic cloves, minced. Is this right? 45 grams of soy sauce. That does not even seem that is, I don't think that's enough. 60 grams white vinegar. I might put more soy sauce because I like soy sauce. 150 grams of chicken bone broth. This is unique. This is not at all of the other YouTube videos I watched. Bone broth because it gives it a more flavorful umami. 2 grams of black peppercorn. Oh gosh. That's 2 grams. I really feel like I should have more. 2 grams of this. And then 5 grams of this. 3 bay leaves. This is actually cool. We're just gonna do what I feel like is good. What is a bay leaf? That should be good. That's 2 grams of bay leaves. Now we are good to cook. Now we have to saute the onions and garlic. It says 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, so we're actually gonna do 2, just to make sure everything's coated. 1, 2. Let that coat the pan. This is the beginning of my cooking career. Now we're gonna let this saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Is that the right terminology? I don't know. We have a lot of onions and a few garlic. But let that saute for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly soft. We're gonna give this just another minute or 2, and then we're gonna throw in that chicken breast. We're gonna let it simmer and brown the outside for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna pour in our sauce, which I really feel like I should do more. You think I should do more? I might do more. Okay, now that the onions and garlic are soft, it says to throw in the chicken. I think this is right. I hope this is right. It's like a fun game, Jenga. See how we can make the pieces fit. Okay, there's that. So we're gonna give that maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I mean 5 minutes. I gotta go back to ChatGPT. It said 5 minutes. We have to flip. Jesus. I mean, they're lightly brown, if that's what you think. Come on. We're gonna flip for another 5 minutes, and then we'll add in the other stuff. All right, now that both sides have been cooked, not entirely, but for 5 minutes, we will now add in our sauce. Now, I did add in more sauce. I added in like 45 more grams of the soy sauce, 20 more grams of the distilled white vinegar, and then 50 more grams of the chicken bone broth. So we do have a little bit more, so we'll kind of just sear it and coat it and feel it out from there. Oops. I feel like we should have more, but that actually, let me know. Is that good? That might be good. That might be good. So we're gonna let this simmer for, it said 30 to 40 minutes. We'll flip 17 minutes. But in the meantime, let's make some rice. I do, what is it, 2 cups of jasmine white rice. I do the finger trick right there. 1 cup, 2 cups, and it's not that hard. I mean, every bowl that you might get in your rice cooker could be different, but the idea is the same. You want to swish it and swish it until the until the water is clear. You see that? You always base it off of this. That's not clear. You don't want to look in there because you actually kind of see the white through the water, but you want to base it off this. That's not clear at all. I usually do this about like maybe 6 to 7 times. Actually, maybe 5 to 6. Look at that. The water is already clear. But we're going to do it one more time to be safe. We're going to give it some more swishes. Like that. And then, boom. You can still, this is good. I accept this. But that's just clear. It's all good. Try to get all of it out. And instead of using the measuring tool, we're going to fill it up. Shake, shake, shake. And we're going to follow this line. You're going to put your finger in there. It's a little above the line, which is fine. As that's your measuring tool, though. We're going to do that. You can actually see that there's a measuring thing in there, but we do the Asian way. So we have to do the finger trick. So that's good. That's good to go. Good. Put that in there. Set that up for white rice. And start. So it's been 17 minutes. It's time to flip. And it smells so good already. I'm also eating some dates. Smells like home. I think I didn't really need to add in the extra sauce, but we did. So we're gonna let that slow simmer there for another 18 minutes. We're getting there. Rice is done. Boom. You see that? Zoom in on that. Well, bam. We're gonna flip it over just one more time, just to really make sure everything's cooked thoroughly. Okay, so what it said was take it off and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. So now we let it cook. I'm so hungry. I want to eat. I want to taste this little part that's falling off this chicken bone right here. Let me see. Little taste test. Oh, it's so good. I like it. This is a very slow cook. If you marinate it for 2 hours, you don't need to go through this process of letting it sit and slow simmer, and you can just cook it like that. My approach is different. So now that we have our delicious chicken adobo, we're gonna plate up our rice, add our little garnishes, pour in some of the sauce on the rice, and we're gonna see how this tastes. We're also gonna have my brother Dimitri upstairs try this, and he's gonna give me his honest reaction. Let's get some chicken. How do you make it look pretty? You get the sauce. I like mine really saucy. I'm already hungry. And we have some cilantro and green onions. It's not the prettiest, but she's there. Look at that. Chicken adobo, healthy chicken adobo. I gotta do the taste test. Some green onion, cilantro in that. Get a chicken leg. A little peppery. A little peppery. I love it. But let's see if Dimitri approves. This is my healthy chicken adobo. This is the first time I'm making it. Is it too peppery? Or what's this?
Well, less pepper in the rice.
Right.
But it's good. Good stuff.
Good. Good. He approves.